Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix TapSwap bot not working. Okay, so recently we have witnessed several users having problems with TapSwap Telegram bot. Many individuals are experiencing various issues while performing actions on TapSwap, including difficulty accessing their wallets on the Telegram app. When trying to log into the game, their captcha is not working, so in some cases their coins are not mining and generating even after tapping multiple times on the screen. So here is a few steps that we can do to overcome these problems. The very first thing I would suggest you do is to check your network connection. So a lot of problems arise when your network is not well connected to the internet. If your network is not connected to the internet, you might face problems while logging in and even opening the Telegram game. To fix your network issue, go to your phone settings and search for Reset Network Settings. Click on that button to reset your network settings and your internet should be then reset. Try the game again, and if the problem still is happening, then let's look at fix number 2. The second thing you could do is try and use a VPN. So first you could try installing a VPN on your smartphone and actually go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and install GoVPN, or there's Proton VPN or VPN City. There is quite a few options out there for you. After installing a VPN, connect to a secure network and in any country and open up TapSwap again. Your Telegram game might start working again using the VPN. If not, let's look at fix number 3. Then we could look at checking for updates. So if these solutions still aren't working, let's go on to TapSwap Twitter account. If there are any technical glitches on their side, they will inform their users through their Twitter account and provide an estimate of how long it will take to fix the issue. For example, recently they addressed issues for their Nigeria-based users, mentioning limited access in the tweet and successfully overcoming the issue. They are constantly addressing these other issues from their Twitter account as well, so keep an eye out there. Lastly, I would say that if you're still facing a problem with TapSwap and they haven't mentioned anything on their Twitter account, then I would suggest you actually go directly to TapSwap through their Telegram channel and actually get in contact with the support team. And that's pretty much it. That is how to fix TapSwap bot not working.